Hello everyone, this is Team 14 and we are presenting an operating systems lab project. Our project is based on the implementation of page replacement algorithms and descheduling algorithms in GUI. Page replacement algorithms were implemented by our seniors. We have done our project on descheduling algorithms in continuation of our seniors' work using Java programming language and Eclipse IDE version 4.13 and above. In the Java framework, we have used concepts of swing, AWT threads, and exception handling. We have also used external libraries such as JFreeChat for graph visualization and JTattoo for GUI themes. We are going to show how the algorithms are implemented and have also included a comparison graph simulator that helps you to compare all the algorithms for a similar kind of input. Now, before moving on to the project, I would like to mention that for running the final project, you would need to download the .exe file that is mentioned, that is uploaded in the drive link. And for running this .exe file, you would need to download the reference libraries that are mentioned in the README file. Now, all the installation procedures for downloading the reference libraries are included in this README file. Okay, so now let's get started with the main project. On initializing the GUI, a splash screen will appear showing a progress bar on completion of which we will be taken to the home page. Now the main interface is divided into two main components, the side panel and the main panel. The side panel consists of five main navigation buttons, that is the home page button, algorithm, simulator, quiz, and the our team buttons. We will see more on these buttons later. Now on the top right corner, we have the option to either minimize the GUI or to end its execution right away. Now the main panel is divided into various components. Uh, this section explains about this scheduling algorithm, and we can also use the scroll down bar to read further on the topic. Below this section, we can see that five terms related to this scheduling are explained briefly. Clicking on respective topic will lead to its detailed information being displayed in the space below. Now, going ahead, we can see the what, why, and where buttons in the main panel. Now, the what button explains what do we actually mean by descheduling and gives detailed explanation on the same. Now, there are four tabs as we can see on the top, representing descheduling algorithm, concurrency and deadlock, CPU scheduling, and page replacement algorithms. As we are in the what section, further clicking on any of these tabs, we will be given details on what these topics actually are. To return to the home page, we click on the home page button that is on the side panel. Now we have combined information of all these algorithms in one frame only, as it will be convenient for the user and easy to implement the remaining two algorithms for the juniors. The why button explains why we need dish scheduling algorithms, and the where button tells where they are implemented, just like what button. Now we can always use the side panel to jump to any other page. One additional functionality that we have implemented is that if we are on a particular page and if we click on the button to go to that page only, a message displaying that you are already on that page pops up, like we are seeing on the screen right now. The five buttons are also displayed in this pop-up message for the user ease, so he can reach to his destination page by clicking the button from here.
Moving on to the next feature of our project, which is the implementation of algorithms. Our team has implemented the desk scheduling algorithms. The six main algorithms are FCFS, SSTF, Look, CScan, CLOOK, and Scan. We have used radio buttons for the selection of each algorithm. This radio button is linked with a preface which is displayed below. This preface displays the short description of each algorithm. Here, four inputs are given, which is the initial header, previous header, trial track, and desk queue. Now, let us select one of the algorithm, FCFS, and provide the inputs which are required. Here under the disk queue, either you can provide your own inputs or even auto generate the values. Now you might have noticed that the inputs which are required are displayed in white color, while the rest fields will appear in red color. This is done to warn the user to not to enter in this field as it is not required. After successfully entering all the inputs, click on the Run Simulation button to run the algorithm. The output will be the graph depicting the complete execution of that particular algorithm as per the inputs entered. It also provides the total seek time to run this algorithm. Here we can use one more feature for the graph. By right clicking on the graph, we can modify the graph settings like changing the background. Uh, we can do this by background paint and selecting any color of your choice. The background color will be changed. Here you can also save the graph in the format of PNG, SVG or even PDF. We have also implemented a function to compare a particular algorithm with other algorithms. To compare algorithms, click on the Compare All button. A new page will be open up. We have to enter the inputs in the required fields. You can also auto-generate the values and click on the Run Simulation button to execute the Compare All process. A separate page comparing the seek time of all the algorithms and displaying the result in a pie chart will open up, while below in the compare all page the information about the execution of the selected algorithm along with the respective graph will be displayed. The exit button present on the right or the terminate button on the right top corner can be used to end the execution. At the bottom, four tabs are also present. Clicking on the respective tab will take you to that particular project's algorithm implementation. This page replacement algorithm is been implemented by a senior. They have implemented FIFO, OPR, and LRU. You can click on the particular algorithm. It will take you to the implementation page of that algorithm. We have also provided two more algorithm tabs for CPU scheduling and concurrency and deadlock. This is to be done by the upcoming students. They can directly link their project with the respective page.
Now let's come to the third button, which is simulation button. Clicking on this button will lead to the opening of the simulation page. Four tabs are present on the top of this button. Clicking on the tab will lead you to its respective project. In disk scheduling algorithm, we have implemented 6 algorithms, and clicking on the tab of either FCFS, SSTF scan, CScan, look or CLOOK will provide you the detailed information about that particular algorithm in the space below. We have successfully linked the seniors project page replacement algorithms with ours, and it can be viewed completely here in this GUI. The remaining two projects, CPU scheduling algorithm and concurrency and deadlock, have their respective tabs created already, so they can be implemented by the upcoming students. The fourth button is an extra quiz feature. Clicking on that will open the quiz page where all the rules of the quiz have been explained thoroughly. Clicking on the start the quiz button will start the quiz. It consists of 10 questions related to the disk scheduling in MCQ format with 4 options for each MCQ. Select the option that you think is correct by clicking on it. The correct answer will be shown in green, while the false option will be marked in red. If you don't answer a question in the given time limit of 10 seconds, its correct answer will be displayed in green, and we move on to the next question. In the end, the result of the quiz is displayed where you will be shown correct score out of 10 and in percentage format also.
The last button is our team button, where information about the team members who have worked on the project is provided. There are 4 tabs on the bottom, each related to the specific project. Click on the tab to know more about the people who worked on that particular project. Our project scheduling is made by Badal Parmar, Khushi Kataria, Kalgi Shah, Hitanshi Rabi, and Aditya Gandhi. You can find the source code of this project on the GitHub. And we have also provided all the information regarding installation of libraries and external files in the description below.